Get ready. Start. It has been observed that employees of the board generally proceed on earned or casual leave without getting the same sanctioned from the competent authority, which, besides being irregular, breeds indiscipline and insubordination. Full stop. Detailed instructions for the submission of casual leave applications beforehand have already been issued earlier for strict compliance. Full stop. Similar instructions for the submission of earned leave applications beforehand are contained in paragraph 3 of EB Manual of Orders. Full stop. Accordingly, application for leave other than casual leave should be submitted so as to reach the authority competent to sanction such leave at least 2 months in the case of guested staff and 3 weeks in the case of non-guested staff before the date from which leave is required. Full stop. Failure to comply with the above instructions may result in the leave being refused. Full stop. Next para. As regards extension of leave, it is stressed that the application for extension of leave should reach the authority competent to sanction such extension sufficiently in advance of the expiry of leave already granted to enable the authority to pass orders on the request for extension of leave. Full stop. Next para. The officers and officials are in no case authorized to absent themselves from duty without obtaining proper sanction. Full stop. Failure to do so will render them liable to have their absence treated as absence from duty without leave. Full stop. The possession of a medical certificate for leave or extension of leave does not in itself confer upon a board servant any right to leave as per Rule 8 of the Punjab CSR Volume 1 Part 1. Full stop. Next para. In order to check this practice, it should be brought home to all employees that they should proceed on earned or casual leave only after the same is sanctioned by the competent authority. Full stop. Save in exceptional circumstances. Full stop. Next para. In case of violation of these instructions, they should be marked absent and on their rejoining service, the period of absence should be treated as break in service. Full stop. Next para. Instances have also come to the notice that while sanctioning short leave applications, neither the time of departure is indicated by the official nor by the sanctioning authority. Full stop. This is irregular, much less against office decorum. Full stop. All sanctional heads in the headquarters offices are therefore requested to ensure that the time of departure will granting short leave is indicated invariably. Stop.